So Steve and Terry were in Seattle and they wanted to come here to retire. So that's why they were thinking about remodeling this place to have their dream California retirement. So California living is indoor-outdoor living and all the spaces are connected. Basically what Steve and Terry were looking for, and it wasn't fixed up yet, but they had this courtyard.
It was a rental property, very tired. Improvements were dated, actually original from its construction in 1976. That said, it took 2 minutes inside and I said, this is a floor plan that I want. The house, while we loved it, we understood there was tremendous amount of improvements that needed to take place and it was overwhelming. Had no idea how to coordinate that much of a renovation. You're talking kitchen, baths, we wanted flooring, millwork, ceilings, color palette, the gamut. And we recognized instantly that that was well above our pay grade. We couldn't tackle it by ourselves.
Because I'm Japanese and I grew up with this Japanese design that's simplistic, practical, yet I think it's chic. And I think it just fits right in there. Simple is good. And if the space itself is cluttered, then my mind is cluttered. So I really need to clean up a little bit to think.
We love to travel. And we've traveled all over the world and we collect small objets d'art and we have a ton. And in a small house, that gets to be a challenge where you're going to display these things.
We challenged her because we were very strong in wanting to keep and share those pieces that we had. But we also had to have a reciprocal conversation because there are ideas that she was bringing to the table that gave us a whole new range of options and opportunities. It was an experience like I've not had before. This was one that took us on a whole new path.
What I really liked working with Yoko is the time she took getting to know us and getting to know what we wanted. We spent a fair amount of time giving her examples of looks that we liked so that she got a real feel for what we would feel comfortable with and what we were going for.
Having said that, what I dislike about a highly designed home is one that you feel uncomfortable. And what Yoko was able to do was give us, just a kick-ass house, but you aren't afraid to put your feet up. It says and resonates, welcome home.